So let me show you how easy it is for one of your customers to place an order through a Flipdish powered website. For this demo, I'm going to use one of our test restaurants, Pizza Cafe. This homepage is customizable with your own images, logos, branding, fonts, and tab options, which can link to other sections of the website. These can easily be edited on the Flipdish portal or by our support team as well. So let's start and place an order by clicking on Order Online. I now have two options that I can choose from, pickup or delivery. The wording here is customizable and can be changed to terms that are more common in your region or even relate to a QR code based dine-in experience for your customers that we can also provide technology for. I'm now going to select a pickup, and as you can see, the restaurant has multiple locations to choose from, giving your customers the freedom to pick the best location for them. So I'm going to click on the Pizza Cafe UK restaurant, which is based in London. Now I'm in the online menu, and towards the top of the page we display some key information to the customer like the restaurant's address, the minimum order amount and the closing time. Just below that you can see the menu categories like starters, salads, drinks and so on. These allow customers to quickly navigate to sections of the menu that interest them most. As this is a pizza restaurant, I'm going to choose a classic margherita pizza. Upon clicking the selection, I'm now being prompted to customize my order. I can select the size, I'm prompted to remove basil if I want, and add extra toppings to fully customize my order. These option sets are really easily set up within the Flipdish portal and are a great way to promote upsells to your customers. At the bottom of the page, I can click Next, which will show me a summary of what I just selected. Now I can click Add to Basket. Now on the right hand side, I can see my basket with a price summary and the options to add more of the same item or to remove it completely with the plus and minus icons. I will proceed by clicking Checkout. If it's your customer's first time ordering, the system will then ask them to enter their mobile number and will send them a verification code. This helps avoid fraudulent orders and allows you to build a database of customer contact details that you can use in the future for highly effective SMS promo campaigns that we can set up for you here at Flipdish. Not to mention ensuring you have a valid mobile number should you need to contact the customer about their order or delivery or their collection. I'm now going to enter my phone number and hit continue. Now a 4-digit code has been sent to my mobile phone and I'm going to enter this to proceed. If for any reason I don't get the code after 30 seconds has elapsed, I also have the option to request the code via a phone call. So the code has just arrived and it's 6003 and I will enter that to proceed. In the future, customers will be able to skip that step as the system will automatically remember them. That's great for your customers as it makes it easy and quick to reorder from you frequently. We've always put a big focus on ease of reordering here at Flipdish with things like suggesting previously used delivery addresses and saving payment card details. Okay, so this is the checkout stage. This store offers both dine-in and takeout options and I can select between the two here. Customers can then select their pickup time from a set of customizable intervals that are easy to alter using the Flipdish portal. I'm going to choose ASAP. Below, the customer can enter their name, which is important for collection. They can then check their order details and have the option again to double up or remove any of the items on the order. They can also see the cost of the items along with the processing fee and have the option to add a gratuity. Below this, they can add a promo code if they have a relevant voucher or discount. Many of the businesses we work with offer a discount off their customers' first online order or loyalty and retention incentives that are highly effective for increasing repeat orders. If you want more information on these, go to help.flipdish.com and search for discount or loyalty and you'll find out how easy it is to set these up. Alternatively, you can email help@flipdish.com and our support team will be happy to assist you. Your customer will then be able to see the total cost of the meal with any gratuities and discounts applied and will be able to add notes for your chef if there is any allergen information that a customer might want to include or ingredients they might want excluded from the meal. Then the customer will be able to choose how they want to pay. As I mentioned before, our system will remember their payment cards if they've used any before. This makes the ordering process incredibly easy for the customer. So to complete the order, the customer has to select either cash, card, or use Google or Apple Pay, which will display here on relevant devices. Just a note, you can disable cash orders using the Flipdish portal should you want to accept card orders only. I'm going to select cash from the options, and to finish, the customer can simply hit pay with cash and my order will be placed. Now I've placed my order and I'm on the order confirmation screen. It's thanking me for placing my order, confirms that the order has been placed, and confirms what store. That information can be important if you have more than one location. Your customers will see a countdown timer counting down from 15 seconds. This allows the customer 15 seconds to either edit or cancel their order. Often customers use this when they forget to add something to their order, like a sauce or drink. They can click cancel order, go back and add the drink and proceed again to the checkout really easily. Once the countdown timer has counted down, the customer can no longer cancel their order. The only way they can cancel their order is by contacting your store directly. Below this, the customer can see the location they need to collect their order from and their order number and name. And further down the page, they can see a summary of their order, and after a few seconds, they will get access to a receipt or sales ticket. So now the order is on its way to the test store, and all that has to be done is for it to be accepted using the Flipdish portal, terminal, or an integration with your POS system, or alternatively, if auto accept is active, then no action is required. Now let me show you what the customer will receive via text message after ordering. On the left, you'll see a confirmation SMS that the customer receives. This starts with the order number. This is very important as your customer must give you this order number if they have any query on their order. You will also need this if you're calling our customer support line. Next, you can see if the order has been paid for or not, reminding the customer that they will need to pay if they have not already done that. Then the SMS will confirm what store they ordered from. This is again important when you might have multiple stores. It will also include your store phone number, which we have on file, which is useful if they need to call you to follow up on the order. For example, if they forgot to give you specific instructions when placing the order. The SMS also includes the time the order was accepted for. This helps you set expectations with your customers on when they should expect their order to be ready and when they should arrive to collect it. And if the store is offering a loyalty scheme, the SMS will show the customer how many more orders they need to place to earn a reward or discount. This encourages customers to order more frequently from you. As you can also see here, I've included examples of the SMS a customer would get in the rare instance where you've not manually accepted the order or may have needed to reject their order. Both start with the order number, and the rejected message will include the rejection reason, based on the reason you gave when you rejected the order through the Flipdish portal, terminal, or your POS integration. Here it is saying that the order was rejected due to an incorrect address and encourages the customer to fix this and try again. And that is your customer's order flow for a collection or takeaway order using one of our Flipdish powered websites. Thanks for watching.